畳でもね、これ合気道の畳は特殊だからね、
すごい。僕は初めて、白い畳見ます。面白いです。
普通はそれだから。普通のことはね、畳はそう。
いや、そう。大嫌いこれ。面白いです。
面白い。大変なんですね。
あ、そうか。
ちょっとね、大変なんですよ。
ありがとうございます。
まだプラグだから。
Du har varerne med? Ja. Lukker du lidt? Lidt mere. Det er ikke mere, der mangler. Jeg har fået en her bøde.
Alright, here you go.
Alright, see you in the top.
Alright, 40,000 more to go.
They say that if you put in more, it's like you're showing off. It's a sign of too much self value. And if you put in less, that means you're cheapskate. So 5 yen is good. It's also 5 yen is called go-in, and it also means good luck in Japanese. So it's a play on words. Go-in. It's like in the dojo. If it's a Shinto shrine, we call the gods first, and in the dojo. Make your wish, your prayer, and when you've done a little bit.
This concludes part 1 of Doshu's seminar 2011. I've got a lot more footage where this is coming from. This is a nice little shot of Iwama. Coming up here is the dojo, if you can make it out there. You probably can't though. But anyway, look forward to more installments, and I'll catch you later.